Hi guys, Callum from Helm WMS, and today we're going to be talking about our multi-pick pack terminal with Arda.
Hey people, I'm Arda, Senior Enterprise Consultant at the Despatch Company, and in this video we're going to show you one of our most efficient picking methods.
Yeah, so Arda, tell me more about the multi-pick pack terminal and how it supports branching.
Callum, multi-pick pack terminal is absolutely amazing. It caters for any business, regardless of their size and regardless of their operation. It basically allows you to create a super user in your warehouse that does not only the picking but also the packing so efficiently that they don't need to leave their desk or they don't need to pick up a phone or a keyboard or anything. It will let them pick everything from without moving in the most efficient format, and the system will just do the rest then without even thinking.
Okay, so talk to me more about that then. So that sounds like a pipe dream, right?
Exactly.
It sounds exciting, but talk to me about how does that actually work then?
How would we structure it? So we would structure it in a way that, imagine a desk, and that desk would be your multi-pick pack terminal desk.
Yep.
And then what you would do is you would look at the data that our system actually provides you, and you can say, well, in any combination, these group of items make up most of our operations. So we don't want to actually give it to normal pickers who would traditionally walk around the warehouse, pick everything and lose time walking. Instead, you would put all of that inventory from right next to the picker and packer, who's going to be the same person in this instance.
Yep.
So what they would do is our system would automatically categorize these items into specific order statuses, and then our system would pick that up. And as I'm just sitting there doing nothing, the system will immediately say, here is your order, scan the item behind you. I would turn around, pick it up, scan it, get my label, it would then flash again with the next order. Turn around, do it again. I'm not doing anything but just turning around, picking items and scan them in.
So just to be clear, what you're telling me here is I would have my pick pack terminal, or I'd have my packing station.
That's
and
it.
then behind my packing station, I have my high volume items or my high selling items.
That's it.
Right? Putting them right next to me within arm's reach. And then the system is going to prompt me to choose which items that I need to go and pack.
Exactly.
It will tell me the item to collect. I get the item, I scan it in, the label will come out, stick it on, and then I move on to my next item.
That's it. And you're not even thinking about the label. The label is automatically selected, the packaging is automatically calculated, the items are automatically shown to you, order is automatically selected by FIFO. So what do? You just do anything. Even if it's an extreme scenario where, let's say, the shelf behind you is getting empty, you don't know, but the system knows. Because it pre-allocates the orders, the system will already let some orders into a status called needs replenishment, so your supervisor will actually do the replenishment job behind you without you even knowing there was a problem.
And just to be clear, this isn't just for items where they might be selling it incredibly well. This could be perfect for things where you're doing a drop sale.
It could be.
Or just brands that are doing like high volume of orders but low SKU, right? Like we've got brands that are doing maybe 10 SKUs, but they're doing thousands of orders a day, and it's perfect for them.
That's it. And because you can use them in a multi-environment, that doesn't mean that if you only do up to 15, you can use this plugin. No, this plugin can work in multiple instances, which means you can create a warehouse where every plugin or every terminal looks at 15 unique SKUs, and they will just share them in between, and then you'll have one last terminal where it just catches all.
Yeah, and just to be clear, that's one of the main benefits of our system, right? Is that there are so many different ways to pick, pack, and dispatch orders, right? Just because we have a pick method that you may want to use doesn't mean it's perfect for all of the ways that you pick. So having the multi-pick pack terminal is great, but actually you may need to do a bulk pick, or you may need to do a bulk insert, you may need to do a tote pick. And there is the flexibility in the system to automate that process. So it will push some orders to do tote, some orders to do multi-pick terminal. It's all about building those strategies and those pick methods that work best to ensuring that your operation is as quick as possible.
That is very true. Well said.
Perfect, good. All right, well, Arda, thank you so much for that. Again, if anyone has any questions on the multi-pick pack terminal, message Arda, and we'll speak soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.